simulation possible. Skies in the lower 30s, west winds around 15 miles per hour, with gusts up to 30. Snow showers. Lows in the mid-20s, west winds around 15 miles per hour, with gusts up to 30.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm system. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.4 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Keene, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. And on 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG672 in Wolf Lake, transmitting on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The current time is 11:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.